All right, everyone, welcome back. I'm actually tired as fuck.
I couldn't sleep. I started to fall asleep when I heard my mom get up.
I took medicine and knocked me out. I can't take the stress of this shit anymore. So the guys are here. The drain bucket's here. They're excited. We're gonna get the ever since you did a water pump a month and a half later, it's leaking coolant and engine lights on in the shop, so it's ready for tomorrow.
Oh, is that Lexus?
Do you remember?
Yeah, the one that I did.
Yeah.
That for 5 hours?
Yeah, I hope it's not leaking.
I would be shocked. That's no.
I mean, we definitely have work for tomorrow if the pansies actually will deliver parts.
Where is that?
This crap. Hopefully it's not a bad water pump. Hopefully it's a radiator. I gotta plow my lot. These guys gotta go get salt, and then we're gonna get started with our night here. There's many a techs, shop owners, hot rodders, enthusiasts in the bays wee hours of the night. Yeah, my days of that shit are over unless I'm making money. Snow plow money. Snow removal plays better than auto repair. If I could do this every day, I would do this instead. Nah. Oh yeah. Let me go start this. Let me go start the plow truck up. I actually may not even have Rachel come in tomorrow. Every snow day is nothing goes on here, so I don't know if I even want to go through the waste of having an employee here. I just don't think I'm going to answer the phone. I mean, we'll fix cars that we have here, but I won't even answer the phone. See how they're clearing the snow off before it comes in the shop? Yeah, look how tight it is. This is nothing. Most of the time you can't even walk in front or behind the shop. Come on, Caleb, Judester. The joy of the snow. Oh, all right. Thanks for watching.